Hi guys, everyone. Good evening, all of you. It's a bit late due to some technical issue. Right, all of you. Everyone, how are you all, guys? Audio, both are clear, of you? Somebody just tell me, audio, video, both are clear, everyone, or not clear? Somebody check it. Audio, clear or not? Clear, everyone? Right. It's not showing. Class is not started yet. Now it is showing or not showing? All of you, just confirm now. All of you. Somebody confirm now. It is showing now or not? Somebody just check it. Is it okay, everyone? Right. Okay. So we'll be continuing our discussion on this All State PSC PYQs. Right. Due to some technical issue, it has become late. Okay. Right. Don't worry, all of you. Right. Now class is started. Anjanelu, Leena, Raviraj. Right. Everyone. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? Right. So all of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it. Right. Everyone get ready to crack. Right. Everyone get ready to crack, all of you. Right. So this is my profile. You can follow me at which, and this is a referral code you have to use. RPC live. Yes, I am good. How are you, Lina? Right. Coming to this, these are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy plus platform, and these are all which one? This is regarding this Unacademy Ultra Combat. Right. What is that Unacademy Ultra Combat? You can say. Unacademy normal combat, top 100 people only will get scholarships, and mega combat 500 people will get scholarship, and what is it you can say next? Ultra combat means top 1000 people will stand a chance to win the scholarship, right? All of you use the referral code RPC will live. Okay, ranker summit will be there every weekends, all of you. Right, these are all the GATE toppers from Unacademy. These are all which one? These ESE 2021 toppers from Unacademy, you can say, right? So now coming to this, these are all the new batches starting. Don't miss these batches, all of you. Subscribe to the Pleasant Iconic courses using the referral code RPC live. Okay, don't miss this, everyone. These are the different, right? These are the differences between the facilities of Plus subscription and Iconic subscription, right? No, there was no afternoon class. Unacademy Lite subscription is regarding which one? Test series only, right? If you are willing to subscribe only to the test series, you can go for this Unacademy Lite subscription. Okay, everyone. So this part we are done now. Compass surveying we have started yesterday, right? Compass surveying we have started yesterday, and now we'll be continuing that compass surveying here itself. Okay, the compass surveying all state PSC PYQs part 20. In this, which part we are discussing? That compass surveying basics and definitions part we are discussing now. Yes, this basics and definitions part we are discussing, all of you. Don't miss this, everyone. Right, try to write the answer for this 169th question of you. Try to write the answer for this 169th question, everyone, all of you. Everyone, write the answer for this 169 question, everyone. Someone write the answer. Someone? Right. Anyone? B. Lena said B. Any other answer by others, all of you? Any other answer by others? Any other answer by others, all of you? Somebody select 169A. Anjanelu said A. And which one is correct? Okay. Which one is correct finally? Any other answers by others, all of you? Raviraj said B. Right? And any other answer? All of you. 169. Nobody answered correctly. Okay, let it be, right? 169 C. Raviraj. Yes, correct, right? In compass survey, the forebearing depends on which one? Depends on the extent of the area to be surveyed or the direction of this true north, or the direction of this progress of the what, the progress of the survey, or direction of this magnetic north, right? It is which one? Forebearing is depending upon the direction of this progress of this work, na? Whether you are proceeding from this A to B or B to A, that is important, na? So in the direction of this progress of this work, when you are measuring, right? This is your magnetic north. Yes, Abhishek and Shiv Prasad said C. Yes, very good, right? Raviraj, Abhishek, Shiv Prasad answered correctly. This is your forebearing, na? This is your forebearing, you can say, right? In the forward direction of this work, forward direction or progressive direction of your work, it is forebearing, if you just observe. So which one is correct? Direction of this progress of work is only correct, na? Yes. Now select the answer for this 170th question, all of you. 170. Write the question number and answer. Raviraj said B. Any other answer by others, all of you? Which one it is? A meridian through which a point in which a plane passing that point and north and south poles intersect the surface of the earth is known as, right? What is that? Intersect the surface of this earth, you can say meridian through a point in which the plane passing through the point and this north and south poles, right? What is it called as? It is called with the name as your true meridian. It is called as your true meridian, you can say, right? Because directly it is mentioned as north and south poles, right? Whenever it is corresponding to this north and south poles, intersection of this plane with the north and south poles is called as your which one? This is a true direction, true north, you can say, is na? Right, select the answer for this 171 question. Yesterday we have discussed with this, all of you, if you just remember. You also started like aspirant, Lina. See, there is nobody waste in this world, right? Only the thing is you just have to do work. That's it, nothing else. Is na? Instead of doing work, if you think that you are waste, you cannot do well, right? It is better where you are doing mistakes. Where you are doing mistake, those mistakes try to avoid within the available time, right? Don't think that so much of time is available, less time is only available, higher time is available. Yes, na? Don't think all these things, right? Just whatever the time available, within the available time you have to give your best, right? Rest leave to the results, okay? Don't worry. Lina said Lina B, Raviraj B and Anjanili C. What is it? At a magnetic poles, what is it you are having? At a magnetic poles it is 90 degree only, no? Yes, Avising also said B, right? At a magnetic poles it is 90 degree only, no? So this is 0 degree at which one? This is your 0 degree at the equator, right? 0 degrees at the equator, and this 90 degrees at which one? 90 degree is at the poles, you can say, is na? Yeah. I don't take full course in YouTube, right? Sardak, I don't take full course in YouTube. It is not possible because only in plus courses I'll be taking full course, right? Full course cannot be taken in free classes, na? Then what is the use of this plus subscription if everything is done in the free courses, yes, na? So that is why I am doing this now. That is why I am doing this now. You try to attend the plus course, you will become automatically champion, Sardak. Automatically you can become champion when you take a plus course in surveying, okay? Don't miss that, right? You try to attend that, you will become, right? There is no 30 degree, right? So here Anjanelu, what happens here? At this equator, what is that value? 0 degree, na? At this place it is which one? This is 0 degree, na? At this place it is your 0 degree. because it is 0 degree na angle between this magnetic line of this magnet and this earth, right? And at this place it is 90 degree na. So what happens here if you just observe, this is 90 degree na, and what happens here if you just observe it, whenever you come to this place, this angle will be changing like this na, this angle will be changing like this or not, that small angle related, let us say, is na 0 to 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree. It is in between which one, right? It is in between which one? It is in between this equator and the poles, right? From equator to poles it is changing from 0 to 90 degree. So where that 30 degree will come, 30 degree will be in between this equator and poles location, okay, Anjanalu. So at which location exactly we do not know, okay, right. Now select the answer for this 172 question, everyone. Select the answer for this, all of you. Veena said B, Raviraj A, and Abhising A. Select the answer, everyone. Someone? Any other answer by others, all of you? Any other answer by others, everyone? 172 D, Anjanelu said D. Now tell me. See here, a magnetic declination of this 5 degree indicates the meridian to the, right? Magnetic declination of this 5 degree means meridian to which one? That magnetic meridian is on which side? Eastern side of this true meridian. It is a northeastern side of this true meridian, southern side of the true meridian, and western side of the true meridian, northeastern side of the true meridian, right? So it is 5 degrees given means by default what is it you can say? It is 5 degrees given means, right? Magnetic declination of this 5 degree, right? Let us say this is your true meridian, this is your true meridian, right? This is your true meridian, and what is that magnetic meridian? You can say that magnetic meridian will be on which side? If you just observe, if it is on this side, right? If nothing is mentioned, you take it as a positive declination. If nothing is mentioned, you take it as this positive declination, right? It is a positive declination, right? Right. So on which side you can say, if you just observe, it is on which side of that? This is on which side if you just observe, right? This is your east side, is na? This is your magnetic meridian. And now tell me that a magnetic meridian is on which side of this true meridian? Magnetic meridian, right? Magnetic meridian is on which side? If you just observe, it is on the eastern side of this true meridian. Option A will be correct, and the northeastern side of this true meridian is also correct, right? Both are correct na? Is that no? Both are correct na? Northeastern side, right? Eastern side of the true meridian is correct, and at the same time this northeastern side of this true meridian is also correct, right? But which one is given more weightage? Eastern side of this true meridian is given more weightage or not, all of you? Yes, eastern side of this true meridian is given which one? This more weightage, right? Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear? Is that clear? It's not? Right, everyone? Option A is what, right? It is the eastern side, right? If you just observe northeastern side of this true meridian, right? What is that northeastern side of this true meridian? You can say northeastern side means north is like this and east is like this, na? So northeastern side of this true meridian, if you just observe, right? What is that northeastern side of this true meridian? Is it exactly vertical or is it exactly horizontal, or it is in between? In between this horizontal and this vertical, na? Yes or no? It is in between this horizontal and vertical, or not all of you? Yes, in between this horizontal and vertical, right? But which one will be given more weightage if you just observe all of you? But which one is given more weightage, all of you? Which one is given more weightage if you just observe? The first one is only given more weightage, na? Yes or no? It is the east side of this true meridian, right? So which one is selected as the answer? You can say that option A. Yeah, option A and option E are different, right? Western side of this true meridian, right? Yeah. Answer, which answer is correct? Answer A will be the most appropriate answer, right? Answer A will be the most appropriate answer, right? Western side of this true meridian means, for this, what is the diagram? This is your true north, right? This is your true north, and this is your magnetic north, you can say. So that declination will be on which side? This is the declination, you can say that what is that, you can say that a true bearing will be equal to magnetic bearing minus western declination. There, what is that? True bearing, right? What is that? A true bearing? True bearing is equal to which one? A true bearing is equal to that magnetic bearing, right? Magnetic bearing plus this eastern declination, you can say. If you just observe, right? Like that, you can say. It's not BM, it is MB, magnetic bearing. True bearing is equal to that magnetic bearing minus this western. Here true bearing is equal to magnetic bearing plus eastern declination, right? Whenever it is eastern declination, positive. Whenever it is western declination, negative, you can say always, right? Because it is mentioned as positive means eastern side of this true meridian we have to consider, okay? Right? Northeastern side also will think sometimes, but eastern side is a correct word, you can say. Isn't it, everyone? Right? Now, 173 question, select the answer. Same question, huh? I think it is same question, right? Okay, it is same question, it seems, right? It is same question, right? Same repeated question, right? This is 172, means this is 173. Okay. Select the answer for this. Select the answer for this 174. Shiv Prasad said B. This we make it as 173. Okay. This we make it as 173 number, because the numbering is missing now. Right. Abhi Singh said B and Shiv Prasad said B. Raviraj said B. So if the difference of this fore bearing and back bearing of a line is 180 degrees and 30 minutes, right? Then there is an effect of magnetic declination, dip, local attraction, and none of the above. Right? Which one? Because of this local attraction only this is happening now. What is the meaning of this local attraction? Whenever you are measuring these bearings at a particular location, nearby what, right? Nearby which one? Nearby this steel buildings or nearby this steel fencing, and sometimes your steel watch also, everything nearby this is cell phone, steel tower, or iron tower, right? These are all will attract this magnet now. Whenever they will attract this magnet, right, what happens if you just observe? So they will give the correct fore bearing and back bearing, or they will not give correct fore bearing and back bearing. They will not give correct fore bearing and back bearing if you just observe it. Isn't it? Is not? No. Next one. Select the answer for this 174 question. Select the answer. Raviraj said A, Abhising said A, and any other answers by others? Any other answers by others for this question, all of you? Lina also said yeah. Right. What is that? The horizontal angle that a line, right, any particular line makes with a magnetic meridian is called as, right, this is your magnetic meridian, right, magnetic meridian or magnetic north, you can say. With respect to this magnetic north, suppose if any line, right, let us say this is the line AB is making some angle, right, what is that angle called as? Magnetic bearing, na? This is your magnetic bearing, you can say, right. So with respect to true north, it is making true meridian, right, isn't it? True meridian is nothing but your true north, arbitrary meridian is nothing but your arbitrary north, grid meridian. So that those things are discussed in plus courses we just observed, right. This magnetic, with respect to this magnetic north, whatever the angle your line AB is making, that is your magnetic bearing. Okay, right. Now select this. Select the answer for this 175 question of you. Lina said B and Abhishek said B. What about others? Raviraj also said B. Any other answer by others, all of you? Right, the lines passing through points of zero declination are said to be, right, zero declination means agonic, right. What is that? Isogonic lines, you can say. Gonic means same, right, iso means, right, simply what you observe, Lina, iso means same value, na, iso means same value, na, iso means the name itself, iso is telling that same value, ago means not there, is na. Whenever you are telling, right, whenever you are telling something, if you are adding a before that, it will become negative of that, na, opposite of that, na, isn't it? It will become opposite of that, na. So similarly agonic means it will become opposite of that, right. Right. So here what is that? Isogonic, you can say points of which one, it is joining, line joining the points of what, right, points of equal, it's not points of equal declination, right. So there are no lines called as isochronous lines. There are no lines called as isometric lines in this surveying. Okay, right. Don't remember that, right? Iso. So what is it? You can say iso. Agonic lines means what? Non-gonic, right? Non-gonic means non-same values, right? Isogonic means what? Iso means what? Similar, na? Similar lines, right? Like that. Okay, is that clear? Isogonic, right, it is not isotonic, isogonic. Isogonic means equal equal declination, you can say like that. Okay, now select the answer for this 176 question. Okay, leverage, no problem. Select the answer for this, all of you. First temporary adjustment of this prismatic compass. Abhi said D. Leverage said D. So what is it? You can say first we need to keep the instrument, right? First we need to keep the instrument exactly over the station point, na? Whatever it is, a prismatic compass or whatever it is, first we need to keep the instrument over the station point, na, To keep the instrument over station point, what it is called as? It is called as leveling or removing the parallax or focusing of the prism or centering. It is just called as your centering only, no? Right? Suppose first if you are doing leveling, and if you are doing centering after that, you have to shift your tripod, na? Will there be any use then? Again your entire adjustment will be changed, na? So first we have to locate that center of this instrument exactly over the station point, then after that what we need to do, then for that what we need to do, then for that we need to go for the leveling. Yes, na? First if you do leveling and make everything flatter, exactly leveled, then after that if you are shifting the instrument, is there any use? Your entire leveling process will be of no use, na? Yes or no? First centering, then leveling, after that removing focusing the prism and removing the parallax, you can say. Yes, na? Right. 176, this is your 177. Select the answer. Generally whole circle bearing is for which purpose and quadrantal bearing is for which purpose, you can say. Abhishek said B. Raviraj said A. So here what is that? Generally whenever it comes to be that a prismatic compass, right? Whenever it is a prismatic compass, right? What is that you are using? That prismatic compass is used to measure what? Prismatic compass is used to measure this whole circle bearing values, right? For the complete 360 degrees it will be, right? And the next one, surveyor's compass. Surveyor's compass, quadrantal bearing or this reduced bearing, right? Quadrantal bearing or this reduced bearing, right? So which one is asked in the question? Surveyor's compass is asked in the question, huh? So it is quadrantal bearing or reduced bearing of a line, right? Yes, na? Right. So now last question for today. Select the answer for this 178. Just now we written the answer, na? You should answer it correctly. Just now we written the answer. Yes, na? Prismatic compass is used for which purpose? Abhishek said C. Raviraj, just now we have written the answer, if you just observe. What is this? Prismatic compass is whole circle bearing. Surveyor's compass is quadrantal bearing or reduced bearing, right? So what is it you can say? Prismatic compass is what? Whole circle bearing, na? Prismatic compass is correspond to this whole circle bearing. Option C is correct, isn't it? Option C will be the correct answer, right? Like that, is na? Right, yes. Lina said C and Raviraj said C. Abhishek said C, right? These are correct, all of you. Okay, right. Thank you, all of you. Again, we'll be meeting in the next class, right? Tomorrow we'll be continuing the next class, you can say, right? Tomorrow means Monday. On Monday we'll be having this next class, okay? Monday at 4:30 p.m. we'll be having the same class, right? We'll be continuing with the compass surveying basics. Once the compass surveying basics gets over, we'll be entering into the numerical questions of this compass survey. Okay, is that clear, everyone? Yes, I'll be closing the session. Thank you, all of you. Have a good day.